These two cats, my cat, who is right over here, are good friends with each other. And they play. If I back up, maybe the other one will come out. He's being silly. And by which I mean, normally I can pet him and now he's not letting me. This one is my cat. Let's walk toward the friend cat and see if they will meet up again. Hello. See, this is what they do. Mama. Hey, kitty. Earlier they were playing with each other. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come, kitty. Why are you doing that? This one is not my cat. It looks a lot like my cat though. Except that it's a lot grayer. And it has a weirder face, in my opinion. But it's let me pet it before. It's just like being coy. Where are you, cats? Cats! I don't see them at all. They're so freaking quiet. If I come over here, I bet they'll run out the bushes. I hear them running behind the bush. So usually my cat waits until I get to my... Oh, there's the other cat. The friend cat. Friend cat. Where's my cat? Hello. Bow bow. Hello, Mow. Oh.